painting using stencils. So here I have a sphere, and I usually want to paint with my wireframe off. So I'm going to go up to display and come down here and turn off the wireframe. Now, so if I want to paint with a stencil, I have to come down into my paint tools tray, and I want to use the projection method. So I want to use the projection, so I'm projecting paint through the stencil, all right, like a spray can, if you will. And I want to come down and select on a stencil. So make sure you're in the stencil tab, and I'm going to choose the grass, the RGB grass. And you can see now the grass covers the whole stencil. Remember, I have these tools over here. I'm going to scale it by pressing the S button and the right button. And I'm going to make it smaller, okay? I could rotate it by holding the S button and the left button. And I could also move it by pressing the S button and the middle button, okay? Once I get to where I want it to be, I'm going to go over here, and I can see I have an image over here, and I have the size of my I have the size of my stencil here set, and I also have the visibility. And the visibility is a more advanced section, and this makes it easier to see the stencil. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am just going to say OK to a paint layer, and I am going to spray on here and spray on here. Okay, I'm going to spray a little nose, and then I'm going to come in here and spray across my stencil. Now, to turn off my stencil, I'm going to come down and say off, and I just sprayed on with using the stencil. I painted using a projection. It's like I took a spray can and I sprayed it through a cardboard stencil. Okay, and now I'm ready to do something else. But remember to come over here and turn off your stencil. Over here, make sure you always turn it off.